In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Gann Square in Tradingview. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Pick the market and time frame you are analyzing and make sure the section of price you care about is clearly visible. If you are focusing on a particular swing, zoom in enough to see the highs and lows cleanly so your placement is precise. Next, head to the left side toolbar. Under the Gann Tools category, select Gann Square. This tool overlays a geometric box that relates price movement to time, creating a structured grid of horizontals, verticals, and diagonals. Now draw it on your chart. Click once at a key swing point, a prominent high or a clear low. Then drag toward the next significant pivot in the opposite direction to form a rectangle. Aim to anchor your clicks at meaningful extremes rather than minor wiggles. If you are measuring a rally, many traders begin at a swing low and drag to the next swing high. For a decline, start at the high and drag to the next low. Release to place the box. Take a moment to optimize the placement. The box should encompass the price leg you are analyzing, so the grid reflects that move structure. Pay special attention to the main diagonal of the box, which often represents a 1-by-1 angle 1 unit of price for 1 unit of time. When price tracks along this diagonal, it's moving in a balanced way relative to time. If price rises above it, that can indicate acceleration if it lags below. Deceleration. Subtly resize or shift the box so the diagonal and grid lines map cleanly onto your chosen swing, without distorting the scale of the move. Once it looks right, personalize the tool so it's easy to read. Double-click the box to open the settings. Adjust colors and opacity to match your chart theme and keep the grid visible without overwhelming your candles. Increase or decrease the number of divisions if you want a denser or cleaner grid. You can also set the mode to auto or short to let the tool detect trend direction automatically, or to align it with a bullish or bearish leg you are studying. Use these options to highlight the levels and angles you actually use, and hide anything that clutters your view. That's it. Thanks for watching.